أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum students, I'm your teacher Sayyid Shanina and we are studying the 5th chapter of the first unit, and the name of the chapter is the 12 months. So we had seen that this chapter is about a story of a mother who had two daughters, one her own daughter and one was her stepdaughter. So she used to love her own daughter, and her name was Helena, dearly, while she used to torture her stepdaughter a lot, and her name was Marukla. So we had seen that they used to threaten her a lot. Threaten means they used to cause fear in her. They used to cause fear in her by saying that if you don't buy something or don't do any work they used to assign her who Marukla, then they will kill her. So we had seen that Helena and her mother ordered Marukla to bring violets in the month of winter, in the month of snow. It was entirely not possible to bring violets in that month because violets grow in the month of March. But the 12 months who were sitting around the fire helped her. Now we are going to see the unit. Now we are on the 10th page number 10. So I'm starting it. Marukla went to the forest bitterly. Marukla went to the forest weeping bitterly. The snow was lying deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. She wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. At last she saw the light she had seen the other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting around it. See, first what happened? Helena and her mother, Helena और उसकी मम्मी ने मैरुक्ला से क्या कहा लाने? वायलेट्स लाने का. So first time she brought the violets. Who gave her? The month March gave her by moving the club over the fire. So she gave the violets. She gave all the violets she got from the forest to Helena. So the next day, what did they do on the next day? They ordered her once again. To bring strawberries. Helena and her mother ordered Marukla to bring strawberries on the second day. So Marukla knew that even they knew that it's not possible to bring strawberries in that month. Still they ordered her to bring strawberries, otherwise they would have killed her. They frightened her and threatened her by saying if you don't bring strawberries from the forest, they will kill her. So what happened? They forcibly asked Marukla to do so. So Marukla went to the forest weeping bitterly. मतलब Marukla फिर घर से निकलकर forest जाने लगी रोते हुए. The snow was lying deep, and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. The snow was too much. It was very heavy snowfall, so the snow was lying deep, and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. When we walk on the snow, footprints are laid on the snow as we walk on the sand. So when there was not a single footprint on the snow. She wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. She was very hungry and very shivering with cold because it was snow everywhere. At last she saw the light she had seen the other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She came to the great fire with 12 months sitting round it. We had seen that the 12 months were sitting on a mountain and light was beaming from it. So she went towards the 12 months who were sitting around the fire. So she went there and she asked them and said, "Please, kind sir, What did she say? Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at the fire. Great January nodded. Why have you come again? What are you looking for here? Great January had helped her earlier also. So he asked her, why did you come again here? So Marukla replied, I am looking for strawberries. My sister Helena and my stepmother bade me bring some strawberries, and if I don't, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, tell me, please, where I can find them. So what did she say to January? She said to him that her stepmother and Helena asked her to bring strawberries from the forest. Otherwise, they will kill her. So what does bed mean? Bed means instructed. My sister Helena and my mother instructed me, which means bed, me to bring some strawberries, and if I don't, they will kill me. So she is asking January, how can she get strawberries? So great January arose. He rose up from this place. He was sitting on the high seat. We had seen that great January was sitting in a high seat. He was sitting on a chair while others were sitting on the ground. So great January arose. He went over to the monks sitting opposite to him. So the monks who were sitting opposite to him, he went to them, and it was June, and handed the club to him, saying, brother, take the high seat. So January went to the month June. January किसके पास गया? जून के पास, और बोला आप हाई सीट लो, मतलब आप चेयर पे बैठ जाओ. Then June took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. The fire shot up, and its heat melted the snow in a moment. The ground was all green, the trees were covered with leaves, the birds began to sing, and the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. See, when we learned Strawberries poem, we also learned that strawberries blossom in the month of June. Even in this lesson, it is mentioned about the month of June. So January took the high seat. January sat on the chair पे बैठा, और जो क्लब था, जो staff था, he swung मतलब he moved over the fire. The fire shot up. Fire आग लगती, मतलब आग ignited. Fire ignited, which means shot up, and its heat melted the snow in the moment. So whenever you light a fire on snow or even on ice, it melts. So like in the similar manner, heat melted the snow in a moment. The ground was all green. The trees were covered with leaves. The birds began to sing, and the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. So everything began to blossom. It was summer, because June is the month of summer. The ground under the bushes were covered with white starlets. The starlit blossoms were turning into strawberries every minute. So the ground under the bushes, जो छोटे छोटे झाड़ होते हैं ना, छोटे छोटे plants, they are called bushes. So starlets were formed there. Starlets, small stars like plants or small sides like flowers blossom there, and from them strawberries blossom every minute. जो flowers थे उसमें से सारे strawberries निकलने लगे. They ripened at once, and before Maricula had time to think, there were so many of them that it looked like as though a red carpet had been spread on the ground. So the strawberries ripened at once. At once this ripened. अपने आप सब मतलब ripe हो गए थे सारे strawberries. And the view was so beautiful that it looked like a red carpet spread through the ground. The view was looking like a red carpet. So pick them at once, Maricula commanded June. June ने Maricula से क्या किया? Pick them at once, Maricula. So Maricula picked them up. See, you can see in the picture. that this you can see here. This is looking like a red carpet of strawberries. So Marukla picked them all. Marukla picked them joyfully till she had filled her apron full. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scampered merrily home. Marukla picked all the strawberries. उसने सारे strawberries को pick किया. सारे strawberries को bush इसमें से तोड़ा. और she filled her apron. You can see she is wearing apron here. Apron. She filled her apron is kind of a dress that is worn. So she filled her apron with strawberries. Then she thanked the months. She gave gratitude to all the months and scampered merrily home. We had seen that scamper means to run playfully or to jog. When we are happy, we almost scamper. So Marukla scampered merrily home. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Marukla bringing the strawberries. Her apron was full of them. Helena and her stepmother were shocked. Wondered matlab shocked, amused to see Marukla bringing all the strawberries. They were shocked because they also knew that it's not possible to have strawberries in the month of winter. In the winter season, it's not possible to have strawberries. So, especially in the snow season when there is too much snow. So they wondered at her. Her apron was full of strawberries. So Helena asked sulkily in an amused manner, in an amused way, "Where did you pick them? तुमने कहाँ से इसे pick किया? There are plenty of them growing in the forest on the high mountains." What did she say? What did Marukla said? In reply, that there are plenty of them growing in the forest on the high mountains. That strawberries are growing a lot on the high mountains. Helena took all the strawberries and ate them all with her mother. They didn't leave a single one for Marukla. So what did Helena and her mother do? They ate all the strawberries. उन्होंने सारे strawberries खा लिया और Marukla को एक भी नहीं दिया. On the third day, Helena ordered Marukla, "Go into the forest and get me some red apples." What did she order again? To go in the forest and bring some red apples. The stepmother caught hold of Marukla and without giving her a chance to speak, pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. As usual, the stepmother caught hold. उसने उसको पकड़ा और दरवाजे के बाहर से हकाल दिया. The stepmother caught hold of Marukla and pulled her out of the door and shut the door on her face. So Marukla went to the forest again, weeping bitterly. So what did they order her to bring this time? First they ordered her to bring violets. Secondly, on the second time they ordered her to bring strawberries. Now on the third time they are asking her to bring apples, red apples. We will see it in the next video. I hope you have understood what I have taught you in this video. Jazakallah khairan for listening.